If someone gets injured on your property tomorrow, would your insurance cover it? Or would you be facing a massive legal bill? Most landlords think they are protected until a claim hits and they find out too late that they are liable. One accident can cost you thousands of dollars. Luckily for property owners, they can be covered for these risks through public liability insurance. In this video, let's break down what public liability insurance is, what it really covers, and where people get caught out. If you own an investment property, this is something you cannot afford to ignore. Accidents happen in properties all the time. It could be a tenant's guest slipping on a wet driveway, a loose handrail giving way, or even a tree falling and damaging a neighbor's property. These are real situations that you, the owner, could be held legally responsible for. Public liability is a legal concept that holds individuals, businesses, and organizations responsible for injuries, property damage, or financial losses suffered by third parties due to negligence. So, what is public liability insurance? In simple terms, it protects you against any claims that are made against you from situations that occur on your property. It helps cover things like legal fees, compensation, and medical costs. As a property owner, you also have a duty of care. That means you need to keep your property reasonably safe for anyone who visits. If the property is unsafe and someone is injured or their property is damaged, you can be held responsible, even if you have public liability insurance. Public liability insurance does not cover damage to your building. That is what building insurance is for. Public liability is there to protect you financially if someone makes a claim against you after being injured on your property or facing damages because of your property. Let's look at a real-life example. Someone trips on a cracked pathway on your property and breaks their ankle. They could make a claim against you to cover their medical costs and lost income, which is where your public liability insurance would protect you financially. Everyday risks like wet surfaces, uneven steps, or poor lighting might seem minor, but they are some of the most common causes of claims. Even if it was not intentional, you can still be held responsible. You must practice duty of care as a landlord or homeowner so that you prevent any injuries or damages from occurring, minimizing your risk of being held liable for claims. Public liability insurance won't cover you if the damage is caused by neglecting your property. This is where it gets important. Not all public liability policies are the same. Different insurers offer different limits, inclusions, and exclusions. Some policies might cover you for $10 million, others for $20 million or more. There can also be exclusions for what your policy will cover. For example, damage caused by poor maintenance or ongoing issues may not be covered, such as a leaking pipe that has been caused by neglecting to maintain your property's safety. Some policies also limit certain types of claims or legal costs. For example, insurance claims for personal illness due to asbestos exposure usually won't be covered by public liability insurance. And while public liability is often included in landlord insurance, the level of cover can vary. To know exactly what you are covered for, check your product disclosure statement, which comes with your insurance policy, or speak to your insurance broker to understand your cover. For landlords, this is one of the most important protections you need because it is not just tenants who could make a claim against you on your property. You also have guests, tradespeople, and anyone else visiting the property. That leaves you exposed. Claims can become expensive very quickly. The right public liability cover helps protect you from that financial risk. If you are not completely sure what your current policy covers, now is the time to check. A quick review now could save you a lot of stress later. Get in touch with the team at Duo Insurance for a quick review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides on insurance and property.